In order to get these wireless products to work together, we first need to put the PowPak into pairing mode. We do that by holding down the toggle button, that's the one in the middle, for 6 seconds. The LED on the PowPak starts flashing, which means that we're ready to press the bottom button on the Pico for 6 seconds. At this point, you could pair more Picos to the PowPak. You can do 2-way switching, 3-way switching, or even up to 10-way switching with the green PowPak. Now we're ready to take the PowPak out of pairing mode by pressing the same middle toggle button for 6 seconds. Now we're ready to use the Pico. We can turn the lights off and on. We can also use the raise and lower buttons to dim the lights down and back up again. The middle button is for a preset level. To adjust the level you want, use the raise and lower buttons to adjust the brightness of the fixture. Then hold down the middle button for 6 seconds. The lights will flash 3 times. And now the preset level is saved. So you can turn the lights off and press your middle button to go back to the preset level. With some fixtures, you may need to set a minimum brightness level below which you don't want them to dim down before they switch off. We call that level the low-end trim. To set the low-end trim level, press and hold the lower button on the PowPak for 12 seconds. The lights will flash and the LED on the PowPak will also start flashing. Use the raise and lower buttons on the PowPak to find the level you want. It can be as low as 1% and as high as 45%. Once you've found your level, press the middle toggle button for 6 seconds. And now your low-end trim is saved.